Chapter number 3, Circle. We have studied in previous class. Circle is a collection of all points in a plane which are at the constant distance, that is radius, from a fixed point, that is center. We have also studied various terms related to a circle like chord, segment, sector, arc, etc. Let us now examine the different situation that can arise when a circle and line are given in plane. Let us recall, we are familiar with the concept of regarding circle like center, radius, diameter, chord, interior, exterior of circle. Also recall the meaning of congruent circle, concentric circles and intersecting circles. In this given figure, there are two circles having the same radius. Hence, these two circles are called congruent circle. In second example, these two circles having the same center, hence these two circles are called concentric circles. And last example, there are two circle having the same radius or different radius, but they are intersecting to each other in 2 points, and hence this type of circle is called as a intersecting circle. In this given figure, O is the center of this circle. Point A, C, D, B and N are on circle. OM, segment OM is perpendicular to the segment CD. In this figure, we recall that term radius. ON, OB and OA are the radius of this circle. End point of this segment, one is center and another on circle. Hence OA, OB and ON are the radius of this circle. Chord. The segment having the 2 point, 2 point are lying on a same circle. Hence CD is a chord and AB is also chord. But CD and AB, there are difference. Chord AB is passing through the center. Hence this chord is diameter of this circle. Diameter is the largest chord in that circle. OM is perpendicular to the chord CD in M. In this figure, radius, diameter, chord, center point, etc. Let us learn circle passing through 1, 2, 3 points. In the adjoining figure, point A in a plane. All 6 circles with having the different center pass through point A. How many more such circles may pass through point A? If your answer is many or unnumberable, it is correct. Infinite number of circles pass through a point. In this adjoining figure, point A and point B in a same plane, segment AB having the endpoint A and B. From point A and B, from 2 points, there are 6 circles are passing from these 2 points. If your answer, how many more such circles may pass through point A and B? If your answer is many or innumerable, it is correct. Infinite number of circles pass through 2 distinct points. In this figure, there is a 3 non-collinear points A, B and C. Passing circle through these 3 points, segment AB, segment BC and segment AC. If we try to draw the circle, then only one circle we can draw, having its center is unique point, is a unique circle passing through 3 non-collinear points. Let us learn. In this given figure, let us consider a circle having the center A and line L. There can be 3 possibilities given. First possibility is, in this figure, not a single point is common in line L and circle with center A. Hence, we can say that line L is called a non-intersecting line with respect to this circle. In this figure, circle having the center B and line M, point P is a common to the both line M and circle with center B. Here line M is called a tangent of the circle and point P is called the point of contact. The tangent, the word come from the Latin word tangere, which means to touch, and was introduced by the Danish mathematician Thomas Finnecke in 1583. From this figure, only one point is common between circle and line, that is P. Hence, line M is tangent to the circle. In this given figure, circle having the center C and line N is given. In this circle and line, there are 2 points are common, Q and R. Hence, 2 points Q and R are common to both line N and the circle with center C. Q and R are the intersecting point of line N and the circle. Line N is called a secant of the circles.